Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now we are going to learn how to write a composition on my family. When you talk about family, you have father, mother, brother, sister, and sometimes there are grandparents included in the family. Now when you say family, if you have only 4 members, father, mother, you and your brother or you and your sister, you got to talk about each person at least 2 sentences. You can say your father, what is he doing? Mother, what does she do? Your brother, which school she goes to or which school he goes to. What does he do? How does he help the little sister or brother in the homework? As a family, where do you live? You can say you live in a rented house, or you're living in a flat, or you're going to buy a home for yourself. And as a family, are you a happy family? Or it's a quarrelsome family? Or are you a helpful family? So first of all, we have to say what is a family, what family you are living in. Sometimes there is a small family, big family. When it's a small family, father, mother, brothers, sisters. When you say big family, you include grandparents or old aunts or uncles. Then you say it's a big family. So first you must say where you live. You must say, I live in a small family of 4 members. If there are 4 members, then you will say my father, my mother, my brother and I live in a small family. Okay? And then you will say what each person doing, how what each person contribute the family, together as a family, what kind of family you are, and finally whether you are happy, and you ask God's blessings on the family. So we are going to write, the teacher requests that we write about my family. So what will you write? Let's look at it together. My family. You are writing a few sentences, small paragraph or 2 short paragraph about my family. So your family, you said big or small family? Yeah, if it is big, you write big. Then you say we live in a small family. Okay? So now you are living in a small family, so you write we live in a small family. So there are small family, big family. Now when it's a small family, what are the members? The members of the family are the members of my family. We live in a small family. The members of my family are my father, or you can say my parents, my brother and myself. So we live in a small family. The members of my family are my parents, that's father, mother, my brother and myself. So we are a small 4-member family. Okay. Then now next thing, what will you say? What kind of house you live in? These are the members, they have to live somewhere. So we live in a small rented house. Where do we live? We live in a rented house. We live in a rented house. All the time you are going to live in a rented house? No. My parents are planning to buy our own flat. My parents, what are they going to do? My parents are planning to buy our own flat, our own house, whatever. So we are going to do that. Now, we live in a small family. The members of my family are my parents, my brother and myself. Where do we live? We live in a rented house. And what's my family going to do? My family is planning to buy our own house. We will be doing it maybe later or early, whatever. Now, let's talk about my brother. Okay. Now, where's my brother? So, my brother and I go to the same school. So, here is the family, this is where we live. Now, we have to go to school. So, now we will say my brother and I. My brother and I, where do we go? I go to the same school. My brother and I go to the same school. Want to write a longer composition? You can say the name of your school, how far is the school from your house, all the detail you can write. And you can say what class is your brother, what class you are, then it becomes a lengthy composition. Here we are just saying my brother and I go to the same school. You can see my brother is studying the 7th standard while I am studying the 3rd standard, you can say all that. Now, the school is very close to our house. The school, you can say the name and all that, okay. The school is very close to our house. Then you can say we go walking to school or we go cycling to school. You can add on all that. Now, my brother and I are like best friends. That means you love each other, isn't it? My brother and I you can say my brother and I love each other. My brother and I love each other. That means you belong to a very happy family. Now that you said about your brother, let's talk about your father. What will you say? My father works in an Indian bank. What does my father do? My father works. Where does he work? My father works in an Indian bank. Okay. My father works in an Indian bank. Then he is a very happy and serious person. Okay, he is a happy person. He is a happy and what else? He is a happy and responsible person. And he is a happy and a responsible person. He is a happy person, he is also a responsible person. We have a lot of fun with my father. We have lots of fun. We have lots of fun with my father. Okay, so you've spoken about your father. Next person is you have to talk about your mother, then talk about yourself. What about your mother? Your mother is my mother is a happy person. My mother is a homemaker. Is a homemaker who is a happy person. Who is happy. She is a homemaker and she is happy. Okay, she is and who is happy. Then what else will you say? She loves us, children. What is mummy? My mother loves us. My mother loves us very much. Loves us very much. What does your mother do for you? She helps us in our homework. She helps us. Helps us. She helps us when we need help. What kind of help you will need? You need help for your homework, you need help to prepare some things and all that. Okay. Now you spoke about your family, spoke about your brother, your father, mother. Now what about you? Huh? What about yourself? You can say about you are talking about family, so you will say my parents. Now you are talking about mummy and daddy together. My parents are loving and kind. When you say loving and kind, loving to you and kind to you, and also to your extended family or to the neighbors or friends. So they are loving people, are loving persons and a kind persons. Then you can say, what does parents give you? They give us everything. You can say they give us everything. They give us everything. Everything we need. Whatever we need, they give us, but not everything we want. But not everything we want. Because what we want may not be for our good. Now what else you will tell? I thank God. You need to thank God. I thank God for my happy family. I thank God for my family. For my family. Always you must be thankful to God. So now, what kind of family are you living? Small family or big family? You are living in a small family. So you will write my family. We live in a small family. Then who are the members there in a small family? The members of my family are my parents, that's mom and dad, my brother, older brother, and myself. So small family, the 4-member family. Then where do we live? We live in a rented house. What are my parents planning? My parents are planning to buy a home or to buy our own house sometime. Now we are going to talk about your brother, my older brother. My brother and I, where do we go? We go to the same school. Then where is the school? The school is very close to our house. You can say you walk and go, or you go on the cycle, you can write. My brother and I love each other, we don't fight. That means this is a happy family. Now we talk about my father. What kind of a person? My father works. Where does he work? In the Indian Bank. He is a happy and a responsible person. That means he takes care of. We have lots of fun with my father. When he's at home, when he comes home after work, we have a lot of fun. We are a happy family. Then what about my mother? My mother is a homemaker. She doesn't go out to work. She works very hard at home, morning till night. Who is happy? My mother is a homemaker. She's also happy. She's just happy doing her own work. My mother loves us very much. She loves us and she helps us when we need help. What kind of help? It may be doing homework, preparing a chart, or any other help. You ask mommy, she's ever ready. Now, what kind of parents you have? My parents are loving and kind. They give us everything we need but everything, but not everything we want, because whatever we want may not be good for us, they may not have money. So what do? I thank God for my family. Now this is a short composition on my family. You can make it lengthy, then you can say, if you say you live in a big family, then you can say you're including your grandparents, then you can say what's your grandpa, what was he working, what's the grandmother doing, all that. Then when you talk about the members of the family, you can write in detail. Now your brother, you can say your brother, how he helps you in your homework. You can say how your brother plays with you or helps you with your plays with you, helps you with the homework, takes you to school on the bike, all that you can say. Then when you talk about your father, if you want to write lengthy, you can say he works in an Indian bank, he is a manager or assistant manager or a clerk. Then you say how happy he is, how responsible he is, how many days he works, how long he works, what does he do on the, you can say all that. What does he do on weekends, what does he come home, what kind of fun he can say. When he takes you out, what fun you have, or in the house, what kind of fun you have, all that you can write. So when you write, talk about mother, supposing mommy is also going to work like daddy, supposing mommy is working in a school or mommy is working in an office, then you can say how responsible she is, how early she goes, how late she comes, and yet she does all the housework, all that you can include here. Then if you have grandparents, you can talk about them. Then finally you will write about your parents, what kind of people they are, loving and kind, and they provide you with everything, food, shelter, clothing, toys, books, everything you want. But last line we wrote here, not everything we want. We may want something that might be expensive, mommy and dad cannot afford, maybe it's not needed. Finally, whatever happens, your parents, your brother, your sister, your grandparent, always we must say, I thank you God, must thank God for your family, for blessing us.